Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of creative wooden dining table ideas and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Creating a wooden dining table can be an exciting and rewarding endeavor, whether you're looking to design a new piece from scratch or simply want to refresh your existing dining area. Wooden dining tables come in various styles, sizes, and finishes, making them versatile enough to fit any home decor. In this guide, we will explore different design ideas for wooden dining tables, considering various styles, materials, and design elements that can enhance your dining experience. Classic rectangular tables. Design features. Rectangular wooden dining tables are a timeless choice that can fit various dining spaces. They typically feature clean lines and can be made from various types of wood, including oak, walnut, or maple. Customization options. Size variations. Consider extending tables that can accommodate more guests during gatherings. Edge treatments. Choose between straight edges, beveled edges, or even live edges for a rustic touch. Finish choices. Stain the wood to highlight its natural grain or paint it for a more modern look. Round tables for intimacy. Design features. Round wooden tables promote conversation and create an intimate dining atmosphere. They are ideal for smaller spaces or cozy dining areas. Customization options. Pedestal base versus legs. A pedestal base allows for more legroom, while four legs can provide a classic look. Diameter variations. Choose from small bistro-style tables to larger ones that can seat up to 8 people. Inlay designs. Consider adding decorative inlays or patterns on the tabletop for a unique touch. Rustic farmhouse style. Design features. Farmhouse-style tables often feature reclaimed wood, distressed finishes, and sturdy construction. They embody a warm and inviting aesthetic that is perfect for family gatherings. Customization options. Reclaimed wood. Use salvaged wood for an eco-friendly option that tells a story. X-shaped legs. Incorporate X-shaped support beams for added stability and character. Natural finish. Opt for a clear coat to showcase the wood's natural beauty or a whitewash finish for a lighter look. Modern minimalism. Design features. Modern wooden dining tables focus on simplicity and functionality. They often feature sleek lines and minimal ornamentation, making them perfect for contemporary homes. Customization options. Floating tops. Create a table with a floating top effect by using hidden supports. Mixed materials. Combine wood with metal or glass for a striking contrast. Neutral colors. Stick to natural wood tones or monochromatic finishes to maintain a minimalist aesthetic. Industrial chic. Design features. Industrial-style wooden tables blend raw materials with sleek designs. They often feature metal accents and rugged finishes, making them perfect for urban lofts. Customization options. Metal legs. Use steel or iron legs to complement the wooden top. Distressed finishes. Opt for a weathered look with saw marks or rough edges. Open shelving. Incorporate open shelves beneath the table for added storage and visual interest. Scandinavian influence. Design features. Scandinavian design emphasizes functionality and simplicity. Wooden dining tables in this style often feature light woods and clean lines. Customization options. Light finishes. Use birch or ash wood with light stains to create an airy feel. Rounded edges. Soften the look with rounded corners and smooth finishes. Multifunctional designs. Consider tables that can be easily transformed into workspaces or extendable options for versatility. Mid-century modern. Design features. Mid-century modern tables are characterized by their organic shapes and vibrant colors. They often use rich woods like teak or walnut. Customization options. Tapered legs. Incorporate tapered legs that give a retro flair. Bold colors. Experiment with painted finishes in bold colors or patterns. Geometric shapes. Explore unusual shapes such as oval or asymmetrical designs. Custom built-in designs. Design features. Built-in wooden dining tables can maximize space in smaller homes or apartments. They often integrate seamlessly into the surrounding architecture. Customization options. Nook integration. Create a built-in table within a window nook or alcove. Storage solutions. Include drawers or benches with storage underneath the table. Personalized dimensions. Tailor the size to fit your specific space requirements. Outdoor wooden tables. Design features. Outdoor wooden dining tables are designed to withstand the elements while providing a stylish space for alfresco dining. Customization options. Weather-resistant finishes. Use marine-grade varnish or sealants to protect against moisture. Portable designs. Consider foldable or collapsible options for easy storage. Natural elements. Incorporate features like built-in planters or fire pits for added ambience. Statement pieces. Design features. For those who want their dining table to be the centerpiece of the room, consider creating a statement piece that showcases unique design elements. Customization options. Live edge tables. Use slabs of wood with natural edges for an organic look. Artistic inlays. Incorporate artistic designs using different wood types or materials like resin. Unique shapes. Think outside the box with unconventional shapes like hexagons or free-form designs. When designing your wooden dining table, consider your personal style, the functionality you require, and how the table will fit into your overall home decor. Whether you prefer classic designs or modern aesthetics, wooden dining tables offer endless possibilities for customization and creativity. With careful planning and thoughtful choices, you can create a beautiful centerpiece that enhances your dining experience and complements your home's interior design. From rustic farmhouse styles to sleek modern designs, there's a wooden dining table idea that will suit every taste and need. Embrace your creativity and enjoy the process of designing a piece that will be cherished for years to come. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.